Hello children, this is your Hena Miss. Today we will learn how to make paper folding craft. Tell me, what is this? Tell me. This is a dog, right? Today we will learn how to make a dog by folding papers. Let's do it.
Okay, first you have to take a square shape paper, then fold it like this. Now it looks like a triangle. Now fold it like this. We are making the ears. Now fold the bottom side like this. Now draw two circles. The circles are the eyes. Now color it with black color and draw the nose and the tongue with the red color. See how cute the dog looks like. Now you all have to try this at your home. Okay, bye bye children. See you soon with your amazing crafts.